Hi everybody. I have my new lights, my new LED lights, and now all my films won't be orange. I'm so excited. Okay, this is so cool. Okay, well, they just came. I ordered them on Amazon, and you get two of them for $28. And I thought that was really reasonable. Look, there's one of them. They're there on the little stands. They're desktop ones, and this is where I do my filming. Is on my desktop. So anyway, since I got them today, I thought, well, I might as well show y'all something and test it out. So this is a Shabby Chic junk journal that I'm making. I'm not quite done with it. It's almost done, but I do have I have a few things still to do in this book. There's pockets I want to put in, and there's some more tags and all kinds of good stuff. So we'll show you what I got so far. I made this tassel, and it's full of pinks and pretty material and lace and ribbon, and I made a little bow, and I put 3 flat back pearls on there, and I've got a grommet in the corner, and I got this tassel clipped on, so actually somebody could take it off if they didn't want it on there. And I thought about different closures for this little book, because it only has one signature, but there's like, oh gosh, 80 something pages. I'd have to count them now. I can't remember, but anyway, I just decided to close it with lace and tie it with a bow. Okay, so here's what I've got so far to cover. This picture came from a greeting card, and that's just, I love this picture. It says, "Welcome to my garden," and then I put lace all around it, and I put lace on the binding. Okay, and then let's go in, and I put lace inside here too to strengthen the this is what I mean about not being finished. I'm going to put a pocket here and a pocket here on this side too. And I did put flat back pearls. I glued them on that page. Thought they was pretty. And there's a journaling page, and I stamped a little teapot. And this is the paper that comes from one of my pads, and I don't know the name of it right off. Maybe when I get completely done with this junk journal, I'll tell you what it is. Okay, and here's a paper bag, and it's a tuck spot. You can put things in. And this is the tuck spot, and there's a tag I made. And this is another tag I made. And it says Inspire, and it's a lady. I got her from a art magazine. And then this is so pretty. And on this side, I made a tuck spot and a big fat tag. And this is just, oh, so I love these flowers. And then there's a little tuck spot, and I tucked something in there. What is it? It's thinking somebody can journal in it. And it's a little journaling tuck spot. And then this is the page I put lace on. This is one of my fancy curly paper clips. So I can put that in there. And I made a little pocket on this side, and I put 3 of these cards in there. It come from this special deck of cards about history, and this is Neapolitan. Me thinking ice cream. Okay. Napoleon, Louis the 17th, I think. Yeah. Oh, I think so. And then Francois the First. The Renaissance, the Ancient Regime, and the Premier Empire. And I thought that would be a little interesting. Then I made a little side pocket here. You could put something in. And then there's an envelope, and it's a pocket. You can put something in. And I found a 1900 Sears Roebuck book, and I could not resist. I made a little pocket, and this baby carriage. This is a real baby carriage. $5.95. And look at this. For an Edgemere machine, sewing machine, with the table and everything, $12.75. Unreal. And here's one for $14.95 for a Burdick. I don't know that brand, but I should have looked because I know they got Singer. Here's another one for $16.90 with the full cabinet. Isn't that oh, that's a trip. Everything is so cheap back in 1900. Kind of wish it was like that. Okay, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's some writing paper, and then some pretty butterfly paper with some blue lace and some more journaling paper. And I put some tea-stained paper doily, and I put $12.75. This came out of the Sears Roebuck book. And another little tuck spot there. And this is one of my puzzle pieces that I made the other day. And I decided to clip it in this book. And here's the middle. And here's another tuck spot. And I made a little thing that they can write on. And there's something they can write on. And I clipped gave another curly paper clip, but I also put this in there from the Sears Roebuck book, 1900s. This woman's shoe. Can you imagine wearing a pair of shoes that like that? That'd kill me. For $1.95, it's called Ladies Changeable Silk Vesting Top Shoes, and then these are the Spring Heel shoes, and they're $2.25. And then over here, for the coat, for the gentleman's coat, is $11, and for the top hat, it's $7. And cloth samples are free. You know, that's really cool, isn't it? And I have a whole book. I have the whole book of. Let me show you. Let me show you real quick. Where'd it go? Oh, here you are. See? Sears Roebuck and Company, Incorporated. Cheapest supply house on earth. Our trade reaches around the world. And this print, this actually is from the 1900s, but the first printing of this, the president of Sears Roebuck, he was president from 1886 to 1908. And this was first printed in the 1900s, but this it's still vintage, but this copy was printed in 1970. And I'm going to be 60 years old this year, so I was 10 years old when this book was made. And it's just full. Look at these rifles. Let me give a price. $10.45 for a calibrated Sam Holt gun. Oh, for $10.45. Amazing. They're just all kinds of fur coats. $28 for a Russian buffalo calfskin coat. Wow. Oh my gosh. You would think that's baby clothes, but that's real baby clothes, not doll. I thought there was dolls. Okay, I could look in that book forever and ever. Okay, so now we got some more writing paper where they can write. And I made another little pocket, and I gave him this card. It's a toucan. Tells all about it, where it's from, the family, habitat, body length, all about it. So I thought that would be kind of interesting for somebody to read. And then another little tuck spot. And I stamped a little teapot. And I put a little memo, little tablet. It's got a little teddy bear on it. Inside this little tuck spot. And then I have a little pocket here I made. And then this tag, I made this a few years ago at Earthfest, when I went to Earthfest, and I made at least 50 of these, and I sold almost every one of them. I sold them 5 for $1. And I sold them all. I sold them. Just about all of them. This is one of them that I got back. Or, didn't sell. Okay, so, and here's some more writing space. Actually, there's also a lot of room in here if somebody wants to put photographs. And there's another tuck spot, some writing paper. And there's the end, and that's what I've got so far. And for my very first Shabby Chic junk journal, that's what they call it. It's not junk, but it's just called that because you put all kinds of stuff in it. Even though it's not junk, but that's what they call it. So that's what I got so far, and I got to test out my new lights. That's awesome. I've got some decent lights now. Oh, that's so cool. Because I do a lot of photography stuff. Okay, so that was the little tour of my little Shabby Chic junk journal. And I meant to say it's 8.5 inches long and 4.5 inches wide. And it's a single signature. And I'll have to let you know how many. When I upload the video, I'll tell you how many pages are in this. So I'll let you go, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, P.S. This is one of the journals that is going to be in my Etsy shop when I open my Etsy shop. I'm going to make a bunch of these. So anyway, I'll let you go, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.